guys, today, this video is gonna be a little bit different. It's about a website, it's called Pinchme.com. What it has is like, you get a box for for free things, and you don't have to have YouTube or anything, or, yeah, anything to get on it. To get free stuff. To get free stuff. So this is what it basically is.
Say that's your first free box.
This is my very first box. I'm kind of nervous what's in here. So let's get started. Oh, that was easy.
Because I had done already open it.
You did?
Yep.
Oh, snap. Oh, whoa. What's this? Oh.
Okay, just take everything out.
That's it. Okay. I don't know what this is.
The first thing is a fruit treatment. It's a treatment for your hair. What is it? It's a mask.
Oh.
A hair mask treatment. Yep, we're going to be using this on your hair. It's a hair mask treatment for your hair. They also gave his the card for it if you want to buy more. And it tells you a couple more what's the name that they have, different kinds that they have.
Yeah.
What's next?
This is the Hello Fresh Cook Up or Fresh Start gift card.
And it's $50 gift card.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. This is coffee. Personally, I won't be using this because I don't like coffee, but my rest of my family members probably will. So, yeah.
That's good.
This is like the Trailblazer medium dark roast coffee. Yeah.
So give it to you, Shawnee.
I'm just gonna give it to somebody.
Show it. Jenny didn't show it. Okay.
And this is nut butter. Protein. 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, 1/2 date. That's what it is, peanut butter. Need open squeeze.
You gonna eat that?
Yeah. I'll eat this. Or drink it. Is it eat it or drink it?
Eat it.
Oh, eat it. Put it on toast or something. That's what everything came with. Oh god, I'm like messing things up.
Everything that you got for free.
Oh. This is everything came off in that yellow box. And
if y'all want to sign up for it, it's actually free to sign up for it. They will tell you get 3 items off in a box. And basically, you know, they will let you know when the items are off in the box that you can choose up to 3 items. And then basically, I mean, that's it. It's a free deal where you get, like I said, you get this stuff for free. So if you want to go check out the website, Pinchme.com, show the box, Pinchme.com. It took me like a month to get my first box. So this is like my first box, and I should be getting like a second box next. That's coming out in the mail. So it's absolutely free. If you want to try it, just go to Pinchme.com. And if you like this video,
please give us a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom.
Bye.